Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Windows 11 is not waking up from sleep mode. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the search menu and search for Control Panel. Best result should go back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by in the top right to large icons and then select Power Options. You want to select change plan settings with whatever plan is currently being selected here, and then select change advanced power settings. So go ahead and left click on that. There should be a PCI Express option here, so click the little plus sign after that. And then there should be a link state power management. Click on the plus after that. And finally, there should be something that says setting in here. You want to click inside of whatever is listed here and set it to off. And then you're going to go ahead and select apply and OK. So hopefully that would have resolved the problem, guys. Something else too, if you just want to turn off your computer from sleeping in general, you would keep both of these turn off display and put the computer to sleep, keep both of them off. So that's something also to take a look at here, guys. And something else you can do here too, if you close out of here, open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, I'm going to go ahead and type in power CFG space minus sign H space off, exactly how you see it on my screen here. Go ahead and hit enter. Once you've done that, now you want to go type in SFC followed by a space / scan out. Scan out should all be one word, attach that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.